Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Graha Noviana. I'm from Faculty of Economy and Business Education, Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. Due to the pandemic, I will present my research result for this GCBMA 2020 using this online presentation. The title of my research is Analysis of the Implementation of Electronic Customer Relationship Management toward Customer Loyalty. I'm the first author of this article.
Analysis implementation of electronic customer relationship management or ECRM towards customer loyalty. The background, bank customer satisfaction has a positive effect of the loyalty of the bank customer. Electronic customer relationship management or ECRM is an innovative technology that seeks to increase customer satisfaction, loyalty, and profitability by acquiring, developing, and maintaining effective customer relationship and interaction with stakeholders. In measuring the effectiveness of ECRM, there are 5 variables that must be assessed, namely organization commitment, customer experience, process-based approach, and reliability and technology orientation. ECRM is an innovative technology that seeks to increase customer satisfaction, loyalty, and profitability by acquiring, developing, and maintaining effective customer relations and interaction with a stakeholder. According to theory, the level of customer loyalty can be seen from 4 dimensions, which are cognitive, affective, cognitive, and action, according to Evans, Hilsky, and Wunderlich 2006. First, the cognitive aspect relates to customer knowledge of the product and service offered by the company. The second is affective aspect relates to general evaluation of the customer's emotional ties with the company. And the third, the cognitive aspect, is the customer commitment to the purchase of products, of the use of service owned by or provided by the company again in the future. And the last one is action. This is the last one is the aspect is related to the positive assessment given by the customer to the company, such as buying and recommending the company to others compared to other companies. The 5 variables that we use in this article is first the organizational commitment. The indicator this bank regularly use personal information to provide specific product or services. And then the bank employee often interact with customers to assess service performance. This bank assess customer satisfaction regularly, and the bank carefully evaluates the changing needs of customers. And then the second variable is customer experience. The first indicator is the bank immediately handle customer complaint. This is very important to handle complaints. And then the bank really pays attention to customer problems. It's still connected from the handle customer complaint. And then the bank effectively communicates with the customer. And the bank is cooperative. The third variable is process-based approach. The first indicator is the bank provide the best service, and then the bank design their service process to meet customer desires. The bank always conduct transaction correctly and quickly. And then the last is the bank provide added value information on the products and services offered. And the reliability variable is the bank maintains consistent service standards. the service excellence standard. And then the last one, technology orientation. This bank use the latest technology like ATM, mobile banking, internet banking, and other technology to offer quality of service. And then the last one, the bank makes effective use of the digital banking like ATM, mobile banking, and internet banking to improve customer service. And then the customer loyalty, we have three variables. First, I became a customer of this bank because I like the bank. And then I prefer to be a customer at this bank than being a customer at another bank. Then I feel more comfortable with this bank than other bank, and I'm more interested in the product and service at this bank compared to other banks. I will continue to be a customer of this bank in the future, and I will use other product and service offered by this bank. And the last, the action, I will advise this bank to anyone who asks me for consideration regarding bank product and services. I always give positive information about this bank to others. I made this bank the first choice in terms of banking product and service. According to CRM and effectiveness and customer loyalty, all these indicators we collect in one Google Form document, and then we collect the data from sample using a questionnaire. And this is the all the indicator is all the question in questionnaire. And then the static calculation from the questionnaire is based on the population of the study was around 80,844 people. This is the total of active customer in the bank, in the branch of Sumedang. So we use the sample in the study was chosen randomly, determination of the number of sample was carried out using the Spropin formula with an error level of 0.05 and a confidence level of 95%. So we use the corresponding sample size was found to be 398 people, and this is the 398 people is the valid data that we have collected from the questionnaire. And determination of the sample is done by simple random sampling technique. The data in this study were collected through two types of questionnaire consisting of a questionnaire for measuring the quality of the implementation of ECRM and the questionnaire for measuring the level of customer loyalty. And then on this statistic calculation, the factor analysis is carried out to analyze the dominant factors in developing an information system strategic planning framework. The study is trying to find relations of several independent variables with each other, then form the SI work frame. This variable is XA, mean the organizational commitment, XB, customer experience, XC, process-based approach, XD, reliability, XA, effective, XF, cognitive, and XG, action. And this is the correlation metric between the variable. As we can see here, that the correlation metric between variable is the value is 600. As we can see here, the organization experience 600, customer and customer commitment is 600 and 0.627, 0.712, 0.697, 0.0728, and then others. And a stable communality is the extent to which an item correlates with all other items. Higher communalities are better. If communalities for a particular variable are low, below 0.4, then the variable may struggle to load significance of any factor. As you can see at the table 3.1, the commonalities, according to the sample, we host the customer experience, process-based approach, reliability, effective, cognitive, and action is the variable is higher than 0.4. But organizational commitment is also 0.442. So the result from statistic analysis is this study indicates that there is a positive and significant effect between the effectiveness of the CRM on the level of customer loyalty with R 0.989 and 398 F 1.694 and P is 0.05. The contribution of ECRM effectiveness to the level of customer loyalty is 97.7%, seen from the result is 0.977. So from this result, it can be recommended that to increase the customer loyalty, it is important to improve the quality of and effectiveness of ECRM in this bank. The result of the study indicates that the effectiveness of the CRM affects the loyalty of bank customer in the Sumedang West Java. From the result of the study, it was found that the ECRM had achieved one or of its objectives, which are making customer loyal as a loyal customer. So the conclusion of this article is, as we can see before in the statistic calculation, we have the conclusion that all the explanation, it can be concluded that the quality of ECRM has a correlation to the level of customer loyalty. Then strongly recommended for the bank, for BGB Bank, to continuously improve the quality of CRM in order to increase the customer loyalty. And consider the ECRM is not the only factor that can increase customer loyalty, but it's also the most important, the ECRM. And then the other research on matters related to customer loyalty needs to be done as a further research of the research. In addition to increase customer loyalty, CRM also has another function, which is to collect information about customers. Using ECRM, we can help the entrepreneur to collect big data and process the data to identify customer desire so that a company can determine better policy to provide better service to retain and get more customers. Okay, that's all I can explain on this article of my article. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.